5 Foxtrot, this is Hitman 2 Actual. You are approved to engage in 5 mics.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the range. My name is Trey with Ghost Tactical, and today we're going to talk about a product that we have absolutely loved working with. Really stoked about this product. It's from Valiant Dynamics, and it is the EvolvR Combat Stock. Honestly, it's probably the best stock that I have ever used in my life. Been through a lot of stocks in my time. This by far is my favorite ever. I'm probably going to get one for everything and slap it on there. I love this thing so much. We're going to talk a little bit about it, what it is, what it gives you as far as the ability to shoot better with different gear on. We're going to go through some specs of it. We're going to go through all of it, but right now let's have some fun shooting with it. Like I said before, guys, this thing has quickly become probably my favorite stock that I've ever used. This rotates back and forth in 8 different positions all around, 360 degrees. And depending if you're wearing chest rig, body armor, nothing at all, backpack, whatever, this little thing right there is going to put the rifle in a great position and be stable for every shot that you take. Before we get into what we like about it and some of that stuff, let's take a look at some of the specs of the EvolvR Combat Stock. Born out of the body armor industry, the EvolvR is a replacement butt stock featuring a first-in-class patented 8-position rubberized spur catch that rotate and locks in place to grip shoulder straps with a tactical plate carrier, body armor vest, chest rig, load-bearing equipment, backpack, or anything else that you might be using. The EvolvR can be used with or without body armor, just rotating the lock spur catch to the 12 o'clock position without armor, and it locks right into that shoulder pocket. With its slim profile, the EvolvR Combat Stock avoids colliding with your hard armor plate and tactical gear to create the perfect shoulder weld, allowing a low profile and a tight, stable shooting position. So now that you guys kind of know what it is, let's talk about the advantage that it gives you. Whether you're wearing a plate carrier or not, what this little tab's going to do is it's going to lock in. So if you're wearing a plate carrier and you get right here, see how it's going to lock up on that shoulder strap and it's not going to slip off or anything. It's stable right there. Where a lot of stocks, they slip off of the shoulder strap of your plate carrier, chest rig, backpack, whatever. With that tab right there, it's going to lock in and it's going to be stable for multiple shots. It's not going anywhere. It's going to give you a very stable and steady platform to shoot on. Like I said, it goes right there and boom, boom, boom. You are locked in no matter what. As you can see here, if you're not wearing a plate carrier, any gear like that, just rotate that tab up to the 12 o'clock position. And what it does there is it helps put that stock right in your shoulder pocket and creates a great weld, creating a very stable shooting position that's not going to fail you. One of the great features of this stock also is it comes with a QD attachment for your sling, not a problem. Or if you don't want to do QD and you want to actually sling it through, it's got the ability to sling the straps through the stock itself to where the sling is going to be able to fit comfortably however you want to run it with this stock. Once again, 8 position. It works on any of the AR-15 M4 style buffer tubes that are adjustable. It is great. Find the distance that you want, the length of pull that you want, and you are good to go. Like I said, I have thoroughly enjoyed this. It is by far probably the best stock I've ever used. I wish these were out a long time ago, but thank you to Valiant Dynamics for coming out with this. It is fantastic. It's rugged. It is small. It is lightweight. It is not going to get in your way. And once again, most important, it's going to create better follow-up shots, keep that stock in your shoulder weld perfectly, and let you have some fun and be accurate. So guys, get out to the range, be more proficient with your firearms. Make sure you're keeping in tune with all the two-way legislation, whether it's local, state, federal. Make sure that your elected representatives are doing their jobs. If not, let's go find someone that will. Most importantly, enjoy the freedoms that come with being an American, one of which, to keep and bear arms. We'll see you soon. Semper Fi.